Hi guys, welcome to the channel The Pro Coder. This is Amit present here and we're gonna do basics in Python today. So as you can see on the screen, there are two windows displayed here. On the left side it is the place where we mainly code, and on the right side it is the place where we get the output. As you can see here, I have downloaded the latest version of Python, that is 3.9.5, available for Windows 10. You can download your suitable version for your operating system from the website www.python.org. Okay, there you can go and download it for free. It's absolutely free there. And those who are new to the Python, so how to open Python, just click on the start button and just click on IDLE and click on open. Whenever you click on open, this box will appear there, and then you have to click on the file option and then click on new file. So this was all about basics. Now let's move on to something interesting, something new coding. So as you can so now I'm gonna do is what simple operation of two numbers, like addition of two numbers. So we're gonna give two numbers to the computer and it will gonna add, okay, and display the output. So let's move on to the syntax. So syntax is very simple for Python, and if you know any other programming languages, then it becomes absolutely easy for anyone to code there. Okay, so first I'm gonna take a variable. So what is a variable? A variable is defined as anything which as a place where we can store some values. So in that variable we can store some integers, float numbers, decimal numbers, a string, that means some letters, alphabets that are termed as string. So first we're going to take some variable. In Python we can take any variable name, which doesn't matter here. You can take it as ABCD, EFG, XYZ, anything. But I would recommend you to take variable name related to your work, related to your operation, related to your function. This helps you in recovery of what you had done. For example, if I'm taking out this program after a few months and I want to check what I have done, so by looking at the variable I should be able to understand that yes, I have taken this for this purpose. So first I'm gonna take here as INP1. INP1 stands for input1. This is a variable name. Why I chose INP1? Because I'm having two inputs, so INP1 and INP2. That becomes pretty more easy. So then INT, then double brackets, input, double brackets, and double inverted commas. So in most of the programming languages, you will notice that anything inside the double inverted quotes are termed as output statements. So whatever you write in the double inverted quotes, the compiler will take it as output statement. And now what is this input? By writing this input, the compiler understands that it has to input something. Now what to input? It has to input integer. The word int stands for integer. If you need some decimal number, then you can instead of int here, you could write here as float, float, float. Okay. So I need integer there. Then again you need to copy paste here. So copy it and then paste it. Now again as it is second number, so I'll put it as input 2. So now the basic important function we are gonna do now is we need to add those two numbers, right? So we again need another variable, that is sum equal to INP1 plus INP2. Yeah, by doing this, INP1, our first number, plus second number will be stored in the sum variable. Now after that we need to give the print statement, print double quotes and double inverted commas. You know why I use double inverted commas. Sum equal to space and then comma and then the variable name. This is the syntax. It means that output statement plus the variable which we need to display. So I'm gonna put a space here for better decoration and all. So by doing this, we're gonna now run this. Click on run module. I have actually saved this file. If you haven't, then click on the OK and just save. And also for a file name also should be allocated according to your function. So this video is all about basics, so that's why I saved this file as basics. Else I would have saved it as addition, because I'm going to add two numbers, right? Okay, I'm clicking on OK, and as you can see here, it has asked me to enter a number. I'm clicking on 10. Okay, 10, and then again another number. I'm going 52. Yes, the sum is 62. Okay, this was one way to print the sum. Now again there's one more way to print the sum. We just need to sum equal to, instead of sum equal to, you just click there, I and b 1 plus I and b 2. Okay, and just click on the run. Again 10, then 21, sum 31. That was simple. You don't need to create a third variable there. If you are too quick, then you can do this step also. This is also very easy and quick method. And one more thing, there's for example, if you are writing a code and you don't have any pen or paper there, you are attending some classes there, and you need to write something which only the coder wants to understand what it was, and not anything, and you don't want the compiler to read it. So what you can do is, you can just put some double hashtags, and then you can write anything. Hi, this is for addition. So this statement, this line will not be read by the compiler. It will directly jump to the fourth line, and this will be ignored. And whenever you open this file, you can see, yeah, hi, this is for addition, and you understood this is for addition. And click on run. It won't affect the running of the program. See, it is 10, and then 564. It is 574. See. Okay guys, so for today only this much was there for basics. In the next video we will be coming up with other operations like multiplication, division, some condition statements also, like for, while, if, else. Okay, so if you like today's video, then do click on the like button, and also press on the subscribe button to get the latest updates of my video. And also do share my video to your friends, relatives, and guys. Okay, thank you.